Article 155. What does Article 155 Constitution of Pakistan 1973 says about complaints as to interference with water supplies? Number one, if the interests, if the interest of a province, any province, we have almost four official province and other Azad Kashmir and Gilgit Baltistan, those are province too. Then altogether, I will say six provinces, inshallah. If the interest of a province, the federal capital, or the federally administrated, federally administered tribal area, or any of the inhabitants thereof, in water from any natural source of supply or reservoir have been or are likely to be affected prejudicially by para number A, para number 1, subpara number A says any executive act or legislation taken or passed or proposed to be taken or passed, or number B further says the failure of any authority to exercise any of its power with respect to the use and distribution or control of water, any kind of water, drinking water or using water, whatever water, power with respect to the use of distribution or control of water from that source. The federal government, that's called Islamabad ki government, or the provincial government concerned may make a complaint or writing to the council. Article 155, para number 2 says, upon receiving such complaint, the council, complaints council shall, after having considered the matter, either give its decision or to president request the president to appoint a commission consisting of such persons having special knowledge and experience in irrigation, engineering, administration, finance, or law as he may think fit for it. Hereinafter referred to as the Commission. Article 155, para number 3 further says, until Parliament, do you know, my dear respected ladies and gentlemen, Parliament meaning National Assembly and Senate, that's called both name, that's called Parliament, makes provision by law in this behalf. The provisions of the Pakistan Commissions of Inquiry Act number 1956, long time ago, law made at that time. Inquiry Act number 1956, as in force, immediately before the commencing day, shall apply to the council or the commission, as if the council or the commission were a commission, or the commission were a commission appointed under that law, under that Act 1956, to which all the provinces or which all the provisions under that act, provisions of section number 5 of 1956 thereof under applied and upon which the power contemplated by section 10A thereof had been conferred. Article 155, para number 4 further says, after considering the report and supplementary report, if any or both, of the commission, the council shall